So welcome back to Statistic 2. Today we'll be talking about hypothesis testing and confidence interval. And for this video, we'll be showing you how to interpret certain samples of data. Now, just say we have a normal distribution of n with mean is equal to 100 and variance is 25. Now, let's just say there's another variable, which is y, and y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5 are random variable taken from these distributions. So they are taken randomly from this distribution. So we can have that the expected of y will be about 100. Right? The expected of y is 100. So the expected of y is 500 because each of these has a expected n is to be 100. So for y that would be 500. The variance of y would be 5 times 25. So each had a variance of 25. So for y that would be 5 times 25, which gets you 125. Now there's an interesting concept here. So let's say we want to find the expected of 1 over 5 of y. It's 1 over 5 of y. So this is in fact the mean of this, right? So the mean of y over 5, actually all these plus divided by 5. So this is the mean of this. So the expected 1 over 5y is 100, obviously. Right? So it is 100. 500 divided by 5, 100. The variance of 1 over 5y. Now this is where it gets interesting. So 1 over 5y. So this will be 1 over 25. So 1 over 5 squared times var of y. So this is equal to 5. This is equal to 5. So 1 over 5y. So the mean of this can be denoted by x with a bar on top of it. So the mean of it has a distribution of n with 105. Right, so somehow we have reduced this normal distribution from variance of 25 down to the variance of 5 by taking mean of 5 randomly chosen numbers and taking the mean of it, and there we have the distribution with the same mean and with a much smaller variance. So this is an idea in normal distribution that we will rely heavily on this exercise. So just as a recap, just say we are considering a sample of five sample. So we have the formulas of, let's just say we take from the normal distribution of A and B. So this is the variance and this is the mean. So if we take a sample of five variable from this, we will produce the variable and taking mean in each of them, and then we will get a distribution of the mean is in distribution of normal distribution of A and B over 5. So when it comes to taking a numbers of variable and then finding the mean of them. The mean of them actually have a normal distribution of that mean with a variance that is equal to the variance divided by the numbers of variables that you have taken. So this is an idea that we will be using in a numbers of hypothesis testing using the normal distribution. And for the next video, we will be giving an example for you to see more clearly.